Harvest. This is February and we are harvesting. Well, I'm looking what the cassava is being harvested. So let me show you. Let me show you. Let's turn around and look at that. Look at that humongous cassava
I don't want to
har
break.
yield. Oh, that one broke. Look at this. Oh, look at that. So huge. This is, I mean, this is the biggest yet that we're harvesting. Look at that, guys. This is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. And I'm showing you all this huge cassava right now that we are harvesting. And this is big, 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 big. The beauty is that the soil is sandy. So we have sandy soil here in Florida. So it's not as hard to harvest. But look how, let me get closer, you can see. Look at that. This looks so good. Look at that. Cassava. This looks good. Look at that humongous harvest. Looking good. You need help from Devon, ain't it?
Yeah. Now wait, make him come and I will have to cut them off. But
Right, right. So there's still two more plants left to harvest. So these we carried over from the last year. Do you think this is more than a year old, probably?
yeah.
So this is probably 2 years old then?
Yeah.
2 years old. Look at that. Humongous. Humongous yield. This is a lot of bammy right here. We're looking at a lot of bammy. About how much pound, Melly?
Hmm?
What do you think?
Only per pound this.
Oh, 1 per pound right here, guys. A lot of pound of cassava right there. Look at that. That's huge. Huge. Let me know where you're from. Let me know. Leave a link in the comment. And just showing you. We don't have much left from vegetarian. We just have citruses. And the mulberry tree is beginning to spring. Hopefully the weather doesn't get cold again. But right here now we're actually planting now. Today we put in collard greens. And I have some seeds on the way. I have jute leaves seed on the way because I want to make some African recipes with it. But the recipe called for jute leaves, and so I had to order jute leaves. But here, let me show you. This is mulberry, and see the buds coming out on mulberry tree. So you can see here in Florida, we're ready now for spring. What else do we have that's ready? The orange trees loaded with oranges, lots of oranges on it. So we're still, and I love to do juice those sour orange, and makes a delicious drink. And right here we have loquat. Loquat, loquat. This is loquat. Very delicious fruit. The loquat. It doesn't go down during the winter. It stays green. And our citruses, for the most part, does very well. See, the citruses are doing well. We didn't lose. Did we lose any? No, the guava over there, we lost the guava, but it's not. It's gonna come back. It went dormant. And persimmon, they're dormant. We saw persimmon trees, they're dormant. But sugarcane, 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 sugarcane tree. There's a sugarcane. They're dried up, but they're gonna come back. Sugarcane is gonna come back. And now we're trying to get this huge mammoth size cassava plant, tree, whatever you call it. So you look at that out the ground. And this one we make. I think this is a bitter cassava. So this one is good for um, making bami. Bami. My mom used to make it, the sweet potato. I mean the cassava pone with it, but
Oh,
she
broke it.
actually.
Why you broke something?
Go ahead.
Try to lift it out of
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, you got panorama?
You can go on. Oh, but you have the music on there.
What?
Biggie?
Sister Bryce, oh my God.
He big. He
Mom,
big. Oh, look at this.
And the one that would pop. Hey, you see that something there? After the fence,
Yeah,
you know. So and and it look nice and white.
Look pretty and white and healthy. You know.
I've never
But
seen
it's been in
cassava
there.
big like this before.
You never seen it, ain't it? Big like that.
No,
And it's in there for I think 2 years now.
that's why.
We never harvested
No, I know
last year.
fertilizer, them organic. The only thing we in there are doo-doo.
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo
White doo-doo.
from the drain field.
Where the drain field is?
Right there, so.
Oh, it's sitting over a drain. Whoa. I don't know about that. No.
No, it's not there, so.
Okay. All right. Don't tease me right now.
Where?
I was like, what?
No, the tank-
I don't think
the
we're
tank
going to
is
eat
right
that.
there, so.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. But looking good. So we're just going to harvest it and dry it and get it ready for bami. But
Yeah, eat it and
nice. You make bami too, sister? No? It's such a long process.
long time I haven't done that since.
Long process. It's like a whole 2 days work.
Oh, now we're going to the office. I'm soon for.
All right then. All right then. All right then, guys. Thanks for joining.
Can't start over again.
For real? Why?
Come in and talk about doo-doo on your video.
It's a big deal.
Daddy, can I have some?
Thank you for watching.
Send them home.
And your mouth.
Yeah.
I want the cassava. You don't plant. I want to think we should. I was like telling Devon we should plant them along the fence,
Yes.
and it's nice for protection too.
No, but what do you think?
What you say?
The fence, the cassava,
Yeah.
how you go around it? Look.
Oh, true. Because it big, it might dig up the whole fence. It's
Don't
true.
wait until it gets so big. No?
But like this was such a nice
Sister Bryce,
privacy
even when they do
fence.
1 year, they come all the way out. Even
Ah,
6
true.
months, they come
Because
all
this
the
is
way
look
out.
how far in from the fence it is, and
Because
it.
last, they are, and they still stretch out.
Look at that.
And look at this. This is stop.
This is a lot.
Is this stop sign?
Me not think so. Oh,
Sister Bryce.
Yes, Melly.
oh Lord.
Sorry.
I'm not topsoil.
You know,
It's just sand.
look how my one them stay.
Yours?
Yeah, this is how my stick them stay.
Tin?
Yeah.
So how these do so well over
That's
here?
what I said.
It's amazing.
You know,
Really?
maybe, and because maybe when we put on the water too, on the side,
Mine is under the oak tree.
Oh, yours is under the oak. Maybe the oak need more full sun. Maybe it needs full sun.
Probably.
I think you should move them to
But I
full
get a
sun.
big cane from there though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The cane fat?
Big like that.
What? Wow, I
Yeah.
can't wait for see our cane. We didn't harvest cane yet. Alright.
So much place to plant, man.
And that's why I plant up the stuff. Like the cassava, just put it all over. I was like, put it
Yes.
all along the fence.
so you're not going to dig them.
I know me go dig them.
Melly.
Melly, are you gonna dig them?
Of course.
Me not. I true though. That's what Devil always asking. So who's gonna dig it?
Then
Who
if
gonna
this-
harvest?
if this one
You tell
big
us what
stuff-
to do.
And you have so much of it, and if within certain time you have to dig them. Okay.
Right, we have to
All
dig
right.
them.
When you plant them, Melly, mark the date you plant it and you're going to
No,
dig it
but
same
it's-
time next year.
Same time next
Yeah.
year. But it's a lot of digging because look at how much the root
Yeah.
is. That's a lot of work.
My goodness.
Big. Honestly, this is the biggest we've.
I never
I think
see-
this is the
all my
biggest.
life I never see cassava.
And it's have a
that
so
big.
huge.
Mm-mm.
How,
And my
look,
father used to plant
Melly, put the
cassava.
mash sheet next to it and let people see an idea how big this is. You see how huge this is? Look at them. You see? This is huge. Huge cassava. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that.
Greater that, greater that.
Huh?
And then you have to greater heat.
It's too much
and
work.
Bring it out. Bring
Oh,
it
I
there.
went with to sister the other day and we spent like 2 days. I said, forget it.
Yeah.
I can't do it myself. No. I have an easy way to do it, but it's not the traditional way.
Blend it.
It's a lot of work. And then look how cheap they sell it for.
Mm-hmm.
With all that work by hand.
Right.
It's making bummies a labor of love.
That's for people who in Jamaica don't have anything
Take
to
us-
do.
Don't say that.
No man, sister, you.
Don't say
No, but you see, sister Brian, those people are
labor of love.
They do it when you go downtown. They do it and they bring it out and they sell.
Yeah.
Because it's like a tradition thing, bami.
Yeah.
My mother used to do it.
Yeah.
And
Especially in St.
corn.
Elizabeth. If you're from St. Elizabeth,
Yeah.
everybody down there do it. It's like not.
I'm from St. Elizabeth.
See, you're from St. Elizabeth. See, it's like common for everybody. Like we're from Hanover. We don't make bummy from scratch. We buy it.
I'm also St. Elizabeth.
It's St.
people,
Elizabeth.
yeah.
People do it, and it's almost like
Bami,
part of the
bami.
everybody livelihood.
Yeah.
They just get up and do it in the
Bami and
house.
fried fish.
Yeah.
Bami and fried fish. And we used to make pudding too.
I love the pudding. The pudding. That's my
Potato-
favorite.
Potato pudding.
Yeah.
Cornmeal pudding. I used to hate when they tell me to grate
The cassava.
the corn.
The corn. Yeah.
They boil the corn, put them up to drain.
And then dry it.
No, when the water come out,
Uh-huh.
then the
Look
water,
at that. Look how pretty that
Yeah.
man. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I can't even lift it up. You can't tell me can't lift it up right now. No, I can't lift this up. Oh no. Oh gee. No, this is huge. Heavy?
that is like
No,
somebody's
man.
leg.
No, yeah, somebody thigh. Look at big. Mm-mm. No,
Hello?
sir. Mm-mm.
Sister, you it?
And
You
this
need
is,
help.
We need help over here.
and this is
We need help.
just
No.
half of it.
This is just
Yeah,
hard.
I
quarter.
just getting them out of the road.
Because it go right
That's a
wrong.
tree root. So,
Mm-mm.
no, not the tree, a tree root. not
A tree
corn.
root.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Yep, that's
Hi guys, you see we're having fun here, harvesting.
Alright,
We
I'm
are having
trying,
fun.
I'm trying.
Yeah, harvesting this cassava. It's big. It's big, guys. It's big, but no, it's not the sweet one. This is the bitter one, unfortunately. Because if it was a sweet one, then we could cook it, but
Oh, the sweet one, skin is
it
more
finished.
white.
Yeah, whiter. And the leaf too for the sweet one is lighter,
Yeah.
green. This is a darker green one, but we already harvested the sweet cassava, and we usually just leave the bitter one because we find that the bitter one
Yeah, right.
grow more.
It looks so.
What? It's more. It grow easier than the sweet one, and it gets bigger. So we usually leave that in the soil. But this is food, I would say, for starvation food. This would be starvation food. Not true. Carl, look at that amount you get from it. Let me show you again.
Now you're
Sure.
gonna have to wring out all that white.
Huh?
You have to wring out
You have
all
to
that
wring
milk
out and rinse out the cyanide out and
and
it becomes
fry
poisonous.
and put it to dry.
And it make good starch though. Because
Yeah.
you make starch with it.
Yeah, so it's starch clothes.
Hmm. And use it to starch clothes. That's what my mom used to do. Your uniform stiff, stiff,
Yep,
stiff,
hold the
stiff.
pleat and the
And the
and the
pleat.
jeans pants.
And
them.
it's- Oh, I tell
No
you.
wonder it take you so long, Melly.
Yeah. This is.
Down here, so
Be careful. Watch out. Look at this. We're harvesting, guys. Hello, Baptiste. We're harvesting cassava. You see how huge this is? Big. The cassava root. And it just yields so bountifully all the time. and we're just so grateful. Look at that. Look at look at that.
That's
Woo!
my leg. That's Melly leg.
It's bigger than his leg. Woo! Guys, you can see. Look at that. So one of our church sisters, she makes bami. So she's gonna make bami and then give us some. Baptiste is laughing at me. It is so funny, isn't it? But yeah, our church sister, she's gonna
You can
make
pull it out.
bami from it.
You
So
can cut.
this is a lot of. There's more. That's a lot more down in the. Oh, I tell you, guys, we're harvesting cassava. Thank you guys for joining our live. My name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps, and I'm here showing you we're in sunny Florida. See how pretty it is? See, pretty sunny Florida. It's warm and nice here.
Yeah.
You wouldn't dare. I know this is a lot of work. It's hard work. This is hard work. And look at that. Strong. You have to have you have to eat a lot of Jamaican yam
And dumpling.
and dumpling. And that's where Melly gets his strength. This is where Melly gets his strength. He eat the good Jamaican yam and dumpling.
Cow food.
I don't know about that one. Me don't know about that one. Me vegan, so me don't know about that.
Melly, no, you cow food.
Melly don't say that thing.
I eat cow food.
Oh Lord, me vegan man. No, do me so. I tell you.
You vegan, yeah.
Yes, dear, yeah. So, but look at all that cassava.
But when I eat the pork,
No
No,
pork,
no
no
pork.
pork, no pork. We don't deal with that thing.
I'm not trouble with that.
We're not trouble that. Look at that. Look at this is beautiful. It's just such a blessing because think about it. The cassava is coming out of
This is
sandy
what you-
soil. We did not put any fertilizer.
That's
We didn't water. I think we water maybe when we just
When they
put a
water.
stick. All you have to do to grow this cassava is from one of the stick. Here's the stick. Let me see. Show the stick. Why am I not seeing the stick? Oh yeah, I'm too going far. This is a stick. So we just take one of the sticks from the cassava. You put it in the soil. It's one of the easiest thing to grow. Once you water it a little, leave me alone. Sure. Once it catch, we call it catch in Jamaica. Well, once it what's the word? I'm not Germany. Once it starts growing, then that's it. Once it starts growing, then it's pretty much on its own. It's like reliant on rain, and so it's good in drought condition. It does very well. And look at the yield. Out of the sand, we can get all that food. I mean,
You can live off of it.
you could live off this, of course, easily.
Bami,
It's a
fry,
staple.
and eat fish.
In a lot of country, they leaf and everything.
Yeah,
Not a poison one though.
Hey, sister,
all
me-
that. They just wash it.
me tell you about them oranges.
Oh, the orange. So we're enjoying the
Let me tell you
oranges.
something.
Well, he's gonna talk to us about.
Yeah, you
Devon is gonna talk to us about the oranges.
you
Devon, where you there?
This
Come
one-
tell him about the
let me
orange
get
now.
loose.
Come tell him.
Please, there's something goody, good
I
like
don't
good.
taste it. I don't give
So he what does he?
Let me tell you something, man.
Devon, come tell him about the orange now.
Oh, let me tell you something.
All right.
You get about 5 of them orange. You don't even need a juice. You just squeeze them. They're that
They're
much
so
juice.
juicy,
You put
yeah.
them in there.
This is
And let me
sour
tell you
orange or
something,
silver
man.
orange.
Let me tell you something. You just want to put a little bit of cane juice in there.
Just pure cane juice
This
with the
is-
sour orange
Little
and
sweet. Let me tell you, refreshing.
so refreshing. High in vitamin C.
Kill any COVID.
Devon, you can't say that panic.
I mean-
It's up me video. You see, boys, may have to come off of this because I don't know if you can. Are you allowed to say it now? Probably they'll stop
Look.
banning it.
Okay.
Well, it's already done and gone. No. How you do it over on live, Devon? Yes, we're live, sweetheart. I'm not recording. It gone already. It's gone.
Okay. Yeah, man.
So yeah.
Look there.
That silver orange. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at
Bountiful.
that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys.
Just
So good.
What's your phone?
Yeah, that
That's
looks good. Eh?
That's dinosaur.
Oh dear. Dinosaur. Look. Healthy.
No, do you see that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's split. Big satellite split.
So big.
And look, you see, they start come back already, you know.
Yeah, so we're just gonna put the stick back in the ground. Oh, we? Not me.
Melly.
Melly. So, Melly will give you all the credit. Melly gets all the credit. I get no credit. I'm just here to cheer him along.
Well, he need it.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that one. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
Can't eat that, Melly. You want that?
No, you can't eat it, Melly.
One of my
No,
brother,
Melly, don't eat
my
it.
mother,
Yeah?
my mother had great dad,
Hey, hey.
and then bring out the water,
I'm gonna drink it?
and the little boy went and
Drink it.
think it was milk, and the belly swelled big. So
Did he pass or he survived?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay,
I
that
think
at
she
least it
gave
ends
him
well.
busy.
That's so sorry. Busy. Yeah, man, you give busy cola nuts for everything to pull out poison. Busy. Wow.
Melly, this is only what you're giving me.
No,
One
Sister Brad.
piece.
No, man, take as
Take
much.
any
Look at the whole
amount,
tree.
Sister
Take
Brad.
any amount. And just put them, stick them in the ground.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
That's
Yeah, man. So we're just gonna stick these back in the ground, cut them up, put them in, and then next year again we start all over again. All right, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you so much for joining us on this live, and hope you have a great evening. And see you on another live. Bye.